Hi there, my name is Thomas, and today I want to provide some liquidity in Sundaeswap. I will choose Pool, Ray, and ADA. Therefore, I bought some X-ray token on MuesliSwap. Why on MuesliSwap? Because it is much faster than Sundaeswap. Sundaeswap, it can take up to a few days until your trade is through. MuesliSwap, I bought 500 X-ray token. I had 100 and I bought another 500. And it cost me 4 minutes, free. And I had all those assets in my wallet. Okay, then let's change now to the wallet. I show you some things there. This is the CC Vault. You have to do some things before providing liquidity. You have to know that. So you go to the wallet, to summary. You have to enable your thie connector. It's enabled here. You can see it. There is a green point. And you have to put collateral. You do this here under settings. You see, I do have collateral already. The process is absolutely easy. I'll go now to Sundaeswap to provide liquidity. This is the Sundaeswap, the exchange. And the first thing I have to do, I have to connect the wallet. This is the same process with MuesliSwap, with Sundaeswap. You always have to connect your wallet. Click on connect. All right, here's the screen with the wallets you can connect with. I will choose my CC wallet, but before I have to accept this, I have to agree. All right, successfully connected to CC Vault. All right, you can see now Sundaeswap is connected with my wallet. Sundaeswap has access now to my wallet. Here in home, you can see all the pairs I can trade or can provide liquidity. This is what I want now. I want to provide liquidity to the pair X-ray and ADA. So I click here. It opens now, and I have two possibilities. I can swap X-ray against ADA or ADA against X-ray, or I can provide liquidity. And this is what I want now. So I click here, provide liquidity. So this one opens up now. And I want to provide 600 X-ray. And it costs 102.5 ADA. So those both will go now to the liquidity pool. Click now, provide liquidity. All right, this screen, it shows me that I will receive 247.002 X-ray ADA LP tokens. It shows me now how much I deposit. It's 600 X-ray and 102.5 ADA. The rate is 5.85. 5.85 X-ray per ADA. And my pool share is 0.009%. Okay. I have to order the deposit. Okay, I have to sign this now with my spending password. Sign. Okay, it's submitted. You can see it is going to be processed now. It's going to the scoopers. Take some time. I switch to my wallet now. All right, you can see here, send ADA in tokens, 600 X-rays going, and the ADA, you see it's now going, this is now completely through. And received ADA in tokens is medium, but it's already there. This is the liquidity pool token I receive for providing liquidity. It's now both on high. I click here, account. So you can see now, I have now the LP token. Before there was the X-ray, which is gone. The X-ray is now in the liquidity pool, as well my ADA. They are gone now. All right, go back to the exchange. Okay, view orders. Okay, you can see it again. From my wallet went out the 600 X-ray and the 102.507 ADA. And I received in my wallet the 247.002 LP tokens. So all is done. My X-ray and my ADA are in the liquidity pool, and I received this LP token. Why did I provide X-ray? I choose an X-ray because it's a really good project, and they give you additional to the fees I will get now from the liquidity pool. They give you some X-ray token for providing liquidity. I think many people in the community, they don't know about Ray. It's a nice project. It's a great project. They have a wallet already on the market. They soon will launch their DEX. They have so many things which they are doing. And I think it's a really great project. That's the reason I've chosen Ray. Okay. I hope you liked the video. If yes, give it a like or subscribe, and you will never miss out the next one. See you then.